Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syabir bin Saul Hamid. Nama Mometrik 308234. So today I will presenting about my assignment 1, which is under chosen topic of study time tracker. So the goal is to solve a real world problem of student face, which is keeping the track of how many hours we study for each week. So the requirement needed is the input of our study, process of calculate total weekly hour of study, output of performance message, audio of motivational sounds. So next we continue with the demonstration of the functionality of the app. So this is my application of study time tracker. As you can see at above, we have a app bar, text of study time tracker, the logo of GN picture, the text of total weekly hours that set initialize 0, and the performance message that initialize with the enter hours to start tracking. So this is our padding text field. We have 4 buttons below, which is add hours, button reset tracker, button play, and button pause for the audio. So I will demonstrate on how to use this application. So first, for example, if the student study for the first day of the week 4 hours, so we input 4 and click the button add hours, the total weekly hours become 4. What if we add the hours, the total weekly hours, until become more or equal to 15? So the system, the application will automatically play the audio and show the performance message of excellent. So for example, I put 12 hours study. I click the hours, and the audio will play, and common message shows excellent, you are hitting your goals. So I pause the audio using the pause button. As you can see here, it shows the excellent, you are hitting your goals performance message, and the total weekly hours added is 16. So what if I click the reset tracker with the audio play? So when I click the reset tracker button, the total weekly hours become 0, and the performance message become tracker reset, enter hours to start again. And that's all for the demonstration of functionality of my app. Next, we continue with the explanation of input, process, and output of the system. So I will explain in my code in main.dat. So my logic section in the method of void add hours, we have a set state here. For the input, I will try passing the input hours, and it will become default if the input are invalid. So this is the code for the input. Next, we have the code for the process, which is the formula of total week hour equal to total week hour plus input hours. Or we can make it shorter by total week hour equal plus equal input hours. Next, lastly, for the output, I use if else statement. So if the total week hour more and than equal 15, the performance message will become excellent, you are hitting your goals, and the player will play the audio sound. And for the S, the performance message become keep going, you can do it. And lastly, we have a clear input field method, which is our control.clear. So we have several and others method in my system, which is the method to reset the tracker to initial state. So we have void reset tracker, set state, and the total weekly hour becomes 0. The performance message become tracker reset, enter hours to start again, and the player also stop the audio. So this method are used in the reset button. Next, for the play button, we have method of play music, which is player play, and the location of the audios. So when the user click play button, this method will function. And yeah, that's all for my presentation about study time time tracker application for assignment 1. Thank you.